Scramble number 1. I see 2 pieces already solved, which is really good. Probably do a D prime, solve the cross like that. I see this pair, insert it into the back. Then I see, don't really see anything. So I'd probably rotate and then see these two. Pair them up, and then these two. And then lastly, these two. I'll do edge control. And then COLL. And skip. Second scramble. See that orange is super easy, but I only do white and yellow. Yellow looks pretty good. I think I'd put this orange one down and finish like that. I see these two right here, so I'd rotate, insert that into the back. I also saw that these two were lined up good. Insert those. Pretty bad case here. I think I would solve it like that. And then last pair like that. OLL. PLL. Third scramble. White and yellow are about equal difficulty. I think I'd do white because I'm more familiar. Bring this up like that. Finish the cross. I saw these two first, but also saw this after, but I'll do this one first. And then this pair. These two. Then lastly, these two. Edge control. Then we got a ZBLL here. These two are the same. It's a T OLL. And then we've got this like R perm pattern, but on the back. Fourth scramble. Both yellow and, actually I might do yellow. Bring this yellow over. Then D2. See these two. These two. See these two. And final pair. OLL into a J perm. Fifth scramble. I think I'm going to do yellow again. So probably go like that. See this block right here? I'll see if I can form a X cross or not. I can by going like this, and then D2, form X cross. Then I got these two, and then these two, and then lastly this pair, which is not good. Oh well. And peel. Sixth scramble. I'm gonna do white. See this pair here that I think we can preserve. So I'm going to solve first 3 cross edges, then bring this up to preserve it. Then insert green. I could rotate like that, but I'm going to rotate the other way so I can do a pair in the back instead of in the front. So my next pairs will be in the front. See this and this. So I can do a keyhole type thing. Bring this pair out, insert it. I think I'd do these 2 first. Not sure if that was the right pair to do first, but last pair, OLL, and then PLL. 7th scramble. See white looks good. See this pair already, but don't think it will be preserved this time. Or actually, move this over, this down. Actually, it is preserved. So line them all up, opposites, then D2. Do this pair in the back. Rotate. Here, I'll do this one first because it'll leave a good pair for these 2. I can go right into it. I see it'll break up and I can put it into the back. And then last pair, and I'll get all edges oriented, and then a U-perm. 8th scramble. Going to do yellow cross. So I'm going to go like that, orange down, finish the cross. See these 2. And then these 2. These 2. Yeah, I probably wouldn't have seen this pair already formed. So I'll just go into this one. Gonna get a dot OLL, which is kind of unfortunate. And then bad G-perm. So 9th scramble. Think I will do white cross. I'm going to bring this here like that. Then do D2 to line up the cross. This pair first. And then I saw this right here. Then these 2. And the last pair, again, dot OLL. But from this position, I can do the edge orientation, edge control. And then COLL and U-perm. Last scramble. White looks good. I go with this orange down. D. Solve red. And then orient the cross. Saw these 2 first. Solve them in the back. Not a good case here. I think I would do this, like that, and then these two. If I do this, I get no edges oriented. I'd probably do that to orient some edges. OLL.